In this video, I will show you how to add Calendly to your Squarespace website. To do this, first gonna open up Squarespace and go to your website and just gonna click on edit on the page where you want to add it to. From there, what you want to do is in the top left, click add block and then here search for code and then just drag it in wherever you want to have your Calendly section. For example, I will add it in right here. And then what you want to do is click on edit. And for now, just remove what it says here and make sure it's set to HTML. Now open up Calendly, and now here you can either choose to add your general page right here, where people can select the meeting type themselves, or you can do it for a specific meeting type, where it will look like this. So they cannot book in a different meeting, they can only book in this one meeting, which is what I'll do. So if you want to do your general link, go to settings here, then click add to website. But if you want to do it for a specific meeting type, just click share on that meeting type and then from there click add to website. Now then you will need to choose how you want it to be displayed. I want to do the inline embed, so I'll add this one and then continue. Now you can choose what it looks like and you can, for example, hide the cookie banner and event type details. Then you can also choose the color and stuff like that. From there just click copy code. Now go to Squarespace and paste in the code right there. Now you can see for now it says embedded scripts and this block contains embedded scripts. Embedded scripts are disabled while you are logged in and in editing style. So just go and click save and then exit. And now you can go and preview the website. And if you scroll down now to the section where you added it, you can now see that I have this Calendly booking page section where I can now select a date, a time, and then I can just book in a Calendly meeting right here in my Squarespace website. So now you know how to add Calendly to Squarespace. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.